To build a 6-inch cube out of corrugated cardboard, we'll use a utility knife, a square, a 36-inch metal ruler, and hot glue. Cardboard has linear grain, which should be avoided when cutting. To produce consistent edge qualities, start with a long diagonal cut, pulling the knife slowly and steadily through no more than half the board's depth with each pass. The cube sides will be cut from a long strip that's 5 7/8 inches wide to allow for the cardboard's thickness when assembling sides. Measure twice, marking all dimensions with the knife, not a marker or pencil. A uniform strip will provide 4 identical sides. And cutting it on the diagonal ensures uniform edge quality from any direction. The end of the strip must be carefully squared so you can generate the first of 4 equal sides. From the squared end of the strip, mark again with the knife at 5 7/8 inches. And cut the first cube side. There's no need to measure the other sides. In fact, it's best to use the first side as a template, so all 4 sides will be identical. Carefully align the sides. If one is too big or too small, replace it before moving on to assembly. The sides will overlap edge to face. Place one against the other, making sure they are flush. Hold the first 2 sides together for gluing, on the inside only, where it will not be seen. Rotate the 2 sides to place the third the same way. Flush the edge and glue. Each face of the cube form should present consistent edge-to-face connections. Place your last side accordingly so the cube will be square and symmetrical. Once the edges are properly placed, glue the last 2 joints. The cube's 5th side, or bottom, will be inserted between the sides. Create a perfect fit by squaring the sides, then marking each twice on the inside. The marks will guide the ruler. If the bottom is reoriented to the sides as it had been marked, it will fit tightly and fit flush to the outside edges. Some drops of glue at the joints will hold it in place. The cube's top will overlap its sides, so mark its dimensions from the outside and cut it out. check the top's fit, and maintain its orientation. Glue 2 corners first so the glue doesn't squeeze out. When that glue is stable, glue the other corners and let the glue run into the joint. If a cube is successful, it matches others of its kind.